Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for visiting Softeon. My name is Andy Sachs, and in the next few minutes, I will introduce you to your smart, automated warehouse of the future, powered by Softeon's warehouse management system, warehouse execution system, and our Luca platform, a breakthrough new approach to materials handling system integration. I'll share some quick highlights on our screen, and then we'll walk you through a live demo. So let me start off with a question here. Are you facing some or all of these distribution challenges? Labor shortages, rising labor costs, maybe the need for higher throughput, cycle time pressures, and more? Well, I thought that might be the case. At Softeon, we'd like to help you push back against those forces. It's time for a new technology paradigm that's better, smarter, integrated, that orchestrates, optimizes, even automates your materials handling and your workload. And that's exactly what you get with Softeon's Smart Warehouse solution, driven by our warehouse management system, warehouse execution system, and our new Luca integration platform. So what is the Smart Warehouse? Well, I'm glad you asked. It's many capabilities all working together for you. You start with the foundation of core warehouse operations excellence and then expand outward in all directions. Let's touch on some of the key components and then we'll run through the demo. Your core operations excellence is powered by advanced core WMS functionality, including system-directed management of all your work and tasks and a whole lot more. You get granular, real-time information on throughput and bottlenecks across every processing area of your distribution center. And you'll add in orchestration and optimization of order batching and fulfillment tasks to minimize your cycle times and your costs. Importantly here, it also includes the automated release of work to the floor based on a whole variety of variables, including optimization opportunities, research and inventory availability, order priority, carrier cutoff times, and more beyond that, replacing quite a bit of human decision making with system-based decisions. That includes waveless picking and a powerful condition-aware task optimization engine. The Smart Warehouse software is always on. It's always monitoring your environment. It's always looking for opportunities to optimize your performance or address your bottlenecks or other constraints. It also uses advanced time-phased labor planning powered by simulation tools with dynamic resource allocation. And you can directly integrate and optimize a whole variety of picking subsystems here, like our own voice solutions, smart carts, pick-to-light, even put walls and mobile robots, plus even more highly automated systems. You put it all together and you've got a smart approach that speeds integration, reduces costs, and optimizes performance. Now, we've taken your integrations to a whole new level with the Luca platform. Luca is fully composable or configurable, and it has built-in integrations, which we call recipes, for dozens of materials handling equipment types that you connect not with coding, but with our intuitive drag and drop interface. That includes handling complex workloads across a heterogeneous environment for vendors and systems. This is truly a breakthrough approach for you. Finally, folks, your Smart Warehouse leverages a number of enabling technologies, and that includes your dynamic rules engine, simulation capabilities, and of course, machine learning and AI. In short, Softeon is delivering the smart, automated warehouse of the future operating in the cloud, and we're doing it today. So with all of that in mind, let's put your Smart Warehouse solution in motion with a quick demo here. Jen's going to help me out. Imagine, folks, that this is your warehouse. How would you use Softeon's WMS to run cluster picking with a smart or lighted cart, picking from both lighted and non-lighted pick locations? Well, let's go find out. So after confirming your cart configuration on the tablet, Jen, your picker, scans the pick zone ID, and when she does, the lights on each pick location turn on, showing the picks needed for the orders that go on this specific cart. Well, from there, the Softeon WMS is performing advanced functions in the background, like sophisticated cartonization and dividing orders into what we call cluster picks, combining the picks for several orders into just one pick process at one pick location. So the lights on your cart tell your picker what orders are needed for each SKU destined for this cart, and you can see that Jen presses the lights after each one to confirm the picks, and the process starts again for the next set of SKUs. You see how efficiently this happens? Your Softeon WMS uses algorithms to figure out which orders go on which pick cart to minimize your travel time and maximize your productivity. You know, you can even dynamically change the orders on each cart. So when a new priority cart order shows up midstream, you can prioritize and reprioritize in real time, and we can show you how after this demo. Scanning your cart ID here signals to the WMS that your picker has arrived with your completed picks. Then which order do you pack first? Well, you just look for the flashing light on the cart. The WMS also automatically prints your labels and any documents you may need for this first order. From here, you seal and label your carton and probably send it off from there on a conveyor. Maybe you have a print and move application, and then your light changes to show your next order to process. Soon your packing is complete, your picker gets a new pick assignment, and off she goes. So what did you just see with your Softeon WMS? Sophisticated cartonization and order planning created cart order batches that minimized your travel time, right? You have a cluster picking strategy that used lights on both the pick locations and the cart to complete every pick quickly and efficiently. Then we moved the cart and the orders over to a non-lighted pick zone. We completed the picks over here by scanning the pick locations combined with the lights on the cart. And then we delivered that cart over to the packing station. We printed the labels and then and the documents automatically, and then we moved that on to the shipping process. Folks, thank you so much for joining me to see how you can use Softeon's powerful warehouse management system, warehouse execution system, and Luca integration platform to create a smart, automated warehouse of the future. We would love to run a demo that's customized just for you, so come on in, ask anyone on our team. Thank you very much. Have a great afternoon here at ProMat Chicago.